Today's the day, folks. We're getting in the field. Try to work out some kinks. Hopefully get to seeding, you know? Hopefully everything goes the way it's supposed to. Very rarely does that happen, but we're hoping. Nice clean Durum right here. It's what you get your pasta from. Durum wheat. Kind of our bread and butter up here. Even though the price is in the shitter. Got a good pile here, we'll move it up. Start another pile. Where I want it. So we're starting with Durum. Taking this semi now, gonna load it up. Then probably got to run for fertilizer. Getting started seeding is always tricky, especially with a new drill, just because you got to work out all the kinks, make sure your prescriptions are in, make sure everything's running right. Ain't got no holes and no hoses and whatnot, which you guys seen we changed all those out, so hopefully we're good. But yeah. Well, here we are. You guys haven't seen it all folded up yet, huh? All right, let's see if we can get this auger down. Start filling. Boss man went to go get fertilizer. We got seed. That's not the key. Okay, already winged it down. This case gotta think a little bit. Turn on our TAPCON. Had to replace a hydraulic line, so better go check on that. Let's turn on some hydraulics. Yeah, she made a mess. That guy right there. Gotta replace those, so. Good to go. Okay, let's see if we can get some action to the fans. I don't see no RPMs. We gotta throttle up. Oh, there's the RPMs on our fan now. There's fan 2. Bingo. Just throttle her up a little bit. Get our trusty remote. Oh. Turn this sucker on. No link. Been a hell of a day. I'll spare y'all the details. Just trying to work the kinks out, you know. We didn't leave this spot. We tried to calibrate. Had an electrical problem, had to chase down the problem. There was a short in one of the harnesses going to the tractor, from the toolbar to the tractor. That was shorting out, so it kept kicking our auger out, kept kicking our fans in, so we couldn't calibrate. Figured that out, got it back down, found out that there's a sprocket missing from one side that So it spins, and then there is a speed sensor that senses how fast it's spinning. Then it tells you when you're calibrating, you know what to expect, pounds per acre and all that, speeding at that speed, you know, or spinning at that speed, excuse me. But the whole sprocket's missing. So boss man had to run to town, grab the fucking sprocket. On his way back now, it's 7:04. We're gonna try to throw that on, get it calibrated, and then we can seed in the morning. You know? That's all we want to do is seed. But outside of that, a very frustrating day. But at least we found the problem, you know? Yeah. Hope y'all day went better.